Looking for a compact and affordable Windows tablet? Today, we're checking out the SZTPSLS 8-inch Windows 10 tablet. This little device packs a surprising punch for its price point. Under the hood, it's powered by an Intel Z8350 quad-core CPU, which can burst up to 1.44 GHz. While it's not going to win any speed records, it's perfectly adequate for everyday tasks like browsing the web, checking email, and light productivity work. It comes pre-installed with Windows 10 Home, so you get the full Windows experience in a portable form factor. Storage-wise, it features 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage. That's enough for essential apps and files, but you'll likely want to take advantage of the micro SD card slot to expand the storage up to 128 GB. This is especially useful if you plan on storing movies, music, or large documents. The 8-inch screen has a resolution of 1280 by 800, which provides a decent viewing experience for movies and videos. The IPS display technology ensures good viewing angles and vibrant colors. Battery life is always a concern with tablets, and this one comes with a 4,000 mAh battery. The manufacturer claims 5 to 7 hours of mixed usage, which seems reasonable based on initial testing. Of course, battery life will vary depending on your usage patterns. In the box, you'll find a custom manual, a US standard charging head, a micro USB cable, a micro USB OTG adapter, and a protective film. The inclusion of the OTG adapter is a nice touch, as it allows you to connect USB peripherals like keyboards, mice, and flash drives. Overall, the SZTPSLS 8-inch Windows 10 tablet is a solid option for anyone looking for an affordable and portable Windows device. It's not a powerhouse, but it's capable enough for everyday tasks and entertainment. The expandable storage and included accessories add to its value. If you need a small, budget-friendly tablet for on-the-go productivity or entertainment, this one is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.